you're like me, you've been trapped in your house, staring at all your decor, wondering how you can improve it. So today, we're talking about ways to improve your home for under $50. In the kitchen, the easiest thing to do is upgrade your cabinet hardware. Just be sure to measure the existing hardware to make sure the holes match up. Next, you can add height and interest to your builder grade cabinets by installing pre-primed MDMF as well as crown molding to the top of your cabinets. Last thing, you can actually purchase LED pucks, put them underneath your cabinet for undermount lighting. Each one costs about 30 bucks. In the bathroom, frame the mirror with some decorative molding. The more ornate it is, the more expensive it feels. Next, you can also create a bathtub built-in look by putting beadboard in front of the tub. You just want to put wood around it so it gives it a finished look. Lastly, you can upgrade your staircase or any concrete flooring with stencils that actually look like vintage tiling to give it a more expensive look. Just be sure to measure everything before you order. On the exterior of your home, if you're lucky enough to have a garage, which is super rare in DC, you can jazz it up by adding some magnetic windows, hinges, and handrails. This kind of gives it the carriage look that's really hot right now. Additionally, if you have exposed pipes that's ruining your garden, you can always put a faux rock over that. Think Sky Mall. This has been Getting Housed with Paul. Cheers.